In this video, we will be sharing 9 healthy smoothie recipes to kickstart your day. From berry-packed breakfast beverages to green veggie refreshers, we have discovered a list of top smoothies. They are all rich in vitamins and antioxidants. And they are not short on nutrients or flavor. There seems to be limitless options when it comes to creating smoothies. But what differentiates a healthy one from the rest matters. A healthy smoothie helps to keep you well hydrated, and should include protein, healthy types of carbohydrates, and good source of fats to energize your body. These smoothies include peanut butter banana, banana strawberry soy, blueberry, raspberry avocado, tomato, kale, mango papaya, banana colada, and whey protein. These are simple and easy smoothies, but they are packed with nutrients. Number 1. Peanut butter banana smoothie. An oldies but goodies, the peanut butter smoothie provides long-lasting energy and serves as a great way to start your day. Look for all-natural peanut butter that has no added sugar and no hydrogenated oils. Ingredients: 1 banana, 1 tablespoon natural peanut butter, 10 ounces milk of your choice, such as almond, low-fat cow's milk, or flax milk. Add a little honey for a sweet garnish. Allergy warning: this contains peanuts. Number 2. Banana strawberry soy smoothie. Satisfy your sweet taste buds, and boost your protein intake with this fruit soy smoothie. Soy is a healthy alternative to dairy and other fatty protein sources. Plus, soy is known to lower bad cholesterol and is packed with powerful antioxidants, according to the Cleveland Clinic. Ingredients: 1 cup of plain soy milk, or vanilla flavored if you preferred. 5 ounces silken tofu. 1 banana, cut into chunks. 2 cups fresh strawberries, sliced. 2 teaspoons honey. Number 3. Blueberry antioxidant smoothie. Not only are blueberries delicious, but they are a powerhouse source of antioxidants. Ingredients: 1 cup of blueberries, ½ cup plain yogurt, 1 cup low-fat milk, 1 tablespoon condensed milk. Allergy warning: this contains dairy. Number 4. Raspberry avocado smoothie. This combination may seem weird, but the creamy avocado subdues the tartness of this smoothie. In addition to loads of potassium from the avocado, this drink provides vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants that may help fight against the development of certain types of cancers. Ingredients: 1 avocado, peeled and sliced. 3/4 cup of orange juice. 3/4 cup of raspberry juice. ½ cup of raspberries. Number 5. Tomato smoothie. There is no rebut when it comes to the health properties of tomatoes. Packed with vitamin A, C, and K, tomatoes may promote healthy skin, improve regulation of blood sugar, fight cancer, and improve vision. Ingredients: 2 cups of tomatoes, ½ cup of tomato juice, 1/4 cup of apple juice, ½ cup of carrots, ½ cup of celery. Hot sauce to taste. 2 cups of ice. If you are liking the video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Number 6. Kale smoothie. Kale is a superfood, rich in antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin A. But it can also have a tough texture, which may make blending the leaves for a smoothie a bit challenging. To get a creamy texture, soak kale leaves in water first. You can also add any remaining water to the mix. Ingredients: 4 to 5 leaves of kale, 2 bananas, 1 cup of blueberries, a few slices of cucumber. Number 7. Mango papaya smoothie. The National Institutes of Health listed mangoes, along with cantaloupes and apricots, as good sources of vitamin A. They are also rich in iron and antioxidants. Mangoes also help with indigestion. Like mangoes, papayas also contain enzymes that aid in digestion. Papayas also provide a great source of fiber. Ingredients: 1 mango, peeled and sliced. 1 papaya, peeled and de-seeded. 2 cups of plain yogurt. 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. 3 tablespoons of honey, to taste. 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. Allergy warning: this contains dairy. Number 8. Banana colada smoothie. Welcome the summer with a refreshing banana colada smoothie. This non-alcoholic version of the seaside cocktail replaces alcohol with pineapple for a soothing summer treat. Ingredients: 2 bananas, 4 fluid ounces of coconut cream, 1/8 ounces of canned pineapple chunks, or fresh pineapples, 3 cups of crushed ice. Sprinkle coconut flakes on top after blending to garnish. Add Greek yogurt for a creamier version that also adds protein. Number 9. Whey protein smoothie. This smoothie is rich in protein and potassium, so it is an ideal drink for athletes. Whey protein helps repair, build muscle tissue, and provides energy. This smoothie is a great way to re-energize your body after a hard workout. Ingredients: 1 cup of yogurt, 1 cup of 2% milk, 1 banana, 1 scoop of whey protein powder, ½ cup of ice. Allergy warning: this contains dairy. Here are some more tips to stay healthy. Do not skip breakfast. In our increasingly fast-paced routines, it is easy to skip the first meal of the day. But cutting breakfast means that you are missing out on refueling your body. Plus, you may end up overeating at lunch. What are some of your favorite healthy smoothies? Leave me a comment below. If you want to see more videos, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.